Imagine transforming your restaurant's floor plan into a high-performance engine, one that fills tables precisely, maximizes revenue, and frees you to focus on hospitality, not making manual adjustments to table occupancy. Table occupancy automations is like having an expert floor manager working 24/7 to ensure every seat counts. Let's dive into how simple it is to set up and maintain complete control over your table occupancy automations. Getting started is simple. Navigate to shift settings and then to floor plans and toggle the automation on. Choose a preset like Maximize Revenue to protect your large tables and prioritize filling these tables until closer to the shift. The Maximize Revenue strategy offers maximum table occupancy up until closer to the shift. For example, this 6-top will be prioritized for parties of 6 up until 2 days before the shift. Then, it will automatically adjust the table's capacity to 75% or 4 to 6 guests up until 18 hours before the shift, when it will loosen capacity further to 3 to 6 guests, providing even more opportunity to capture reservations on unfilled tables. Or you can choose to fill tables fast. This preset starts loosening table occupancy much earlier. For example, 14 days before the shift, tables open up to 75% occupancy, 7 days before to 50%, and just 1 day before the shift to 0%, allowing any party size to book remaining tables. If you prefer a tailored approach, go custom to design your own precise occupancy schedule. A custom strategy lets you go beyond one-size-fits-all solutions, perfect for special events, unique table mixes, or operational quirks that presets can't address. This preset lets you create a timeline that matches your restaurant's flow and booking patterns. Adjust times as needed for special events, long shifts, or unique service windows. The table grid shows each table or combo across all scheduled times and can be customized further if needed. The flexibility ensures your automation fits your real-world operations. Control is key. That's why you can review your entire automation schedule on the schedule page at any time. When you want to manage special events or shifts separately, you have the master key. Simply toggle the automation off for full manual control. It's your strategy, amplified by the OpenTable for Restaurants platform, giving you the best of both worlds. Ready to take control of your dining room occupancy and revenue? Enable availability automations today and unlock your restaurant's full revenue potential.